So as you know, we decided to do The Bachelor and The Bachelorette franchise for our project, and then the question was, who really watches The Bachelor? So this was our purpose, our background information, data collection, my battery is running low, um, survey, research questions, data cleaning, categorical, blah, 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 and then Tyler, and then Katya stuff, and then my corrected slides. So I did have you watched versus age, and I was looking at whether or not the people surveyed have watched The Bachelor slash Bachelorette versus the age. So we believe that the people who have watched the show will most likely be of younger age due to how the show markets towards their audiences. So on the left here we have a box plot which has the different ages ranging from 20 to 70, and then the no and the yes on the bottom for how they watched the show. And our null hypothesis was there is no relationship between the average age and watching The Bachelor slash Bachelorette, and then the alternative hypothesis is there is a relationship between the average age and watching The Bachelor slash The Bachelorette. So we used the ANOVA test for this, and our p-value came out to 0.9406, which based on that data we would fail to reject the hoe because it is greater than 0.05, which concludes to there is not enough evidence to suggest a relationship between the average age of someone and them watching The Bachelor slash The Bachelorette. What was kind of neat that we did find out was the mean came out to be 26 for both the yeses and the nos of the have you watched The Bachelorette variable or the Bachelor variable, and then so that means that there was a large spread for both ages, and it was kind of neat because we ultimately assumed that the yeses were going to be people of younger age and that the nos were ultimately going to be people of older age, but the average age came out to 26 for both, so that was pretty cool. And then the other corrected slide I did was gender versus relationship status. So for this, I am looking at if there is a relationship between gender and relationship status, and we believe that out of the three relationship statuses, which were it's complicated, single, and take it, that there will be a relationship between the gender and the status of the relationship. We also believe that females are more likely to be in a relationship versus male, and for this we used a stacked box box chart with the three different genders and then the three different relationship statuses. So our null hypothesis was there is no relationship between gender and relationship status, and our alternative was there is a relationship between gender and relationship status. So I ran a chi-square test for this, and the p-value came out to 0.4451, so yet again, based on the data, we would fail to reject the hoe, and that concludes that there would not be enough evidence to conclude that there is a relationship between someone's gender and their relationship status throughout all three of them. And then this was more. So this was our conclusions, the 5 conclusions that we made about gender, relationship status, age, emotional, and alcohol, and then for the future work as well. And that was the end of our presentation.